What you got to say about yourself?
It's the 6th of May of 2024, and this is the cicadas. It's about 65 dB. This one doesn't have the red eyes, it's more of a brown. Maybe he's not. Well, that was alive. The cicadas today on the 6th of May of 2024 and almost 80 dB. On our front porch, there's cicadas, and they're all in the driveway everywhere. And last night they were crawling on all the chairs over here. Every day it seems to be getting worse. They're all over the house on furniture. They make that weird noise. They're chirping like a bunch of freaking frogs. They're not crickets, these are cicadas. They're like evil, they're flying around, they're all over the ground, they're all over the driveway. Buddy has to wear a muzzle so he didn't eat these things. So today is the 8th of May of 2024, so everywhere you go.